Good morning, students. This is Chalma Reddy, sir. Now I am going to discuss that mains 4th September 2020 shift 2 questions. Now these are 5 questions I am discussing, very easy questions. Still now not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Whenever I will upload video, you will get first notification. Now see the first question. This is a complex number De Moivre's related problem. If omega is an imaginary cube root of unity such that 2 plus omega whole square is equal to a plus b omega. AB belongs to R, then a plus b we need to find. Now here 2 plus omega whole square, expand 4 plus omega square plus 4 omega, that is equal to a plus b omega. Here already we know that omega related formulas 1 plus omega square value 0. Now what is 1 plus omega? Minus omega square. And we know that another formula also omega cube is equal to 1. Now here 4 omega is there. 4 take common, we get 1 plus omega square, that is equal to a plus b omega. 4 into 1 plus omega. So here 1 plus omega we can write same like that, because in right hand side only omega terms are there. Then what is omega square? That is minus 1 minus omega, that is equal to a plus b omega. Now 4 into 1, 4 minus 1, 3 plus 4 omega minus omega, 3 omega, that is equal to a plus b omega. Now comparing real part, or in place of omega write omega value anyone. So comparing directly, so we get a value is 3 and b value is 3. What they are asking in the question, a plus b value they are asking, that is 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is the answer. So this is a very easy question in complex number, 4th September 2020 shift 2 given. Next, I am going to discuss that another question. See here, there are 6 multiple choice questions in a paper, each having 4 options of in which only one is correct. In how many ways a person can solve exactly 4 correct? If he attempt all 6 questions. How many questions he want to attempt? 6 questions. Now I am going to write directly. It is not difficult, very easy. Out of 6 questions, you want to attempt all questions, but out of 6, 4 are correct. Correct means each question having 4 options. Out of 4, 1 is correct. So first question possible one way, second question possible one way, third question possible one way, and fourth question also possible one way. What about remaining 2 questions? Remaining 2 questions are wrong answer. Now each question having how many chances? Out of 4 options, 1 option is correct. Remaining 3 options wrong. That means each question having, there are 3 chances. Now calculate this. 6C4 means, that is 6C2. 1 into 1, 2C2 into means 1, 3 square, that is 9. 6C2 value, that is 15 into 9. So 15 into 9, that is 135. So which option is correct? First option is correct. So this is a permutation combination related problem. Very easy question given. Next, go to that. Vectors. Read the question. If A bar is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k, then the value of modulus I bar cross a bar cross I bar whole square plus j bar cross a cross j whole square plus k bar cross a bar cross k bar whole square. This value we need to find. Actually, this is standard formula only. This formula value is modulus of a square. What is a bar? A bar is 2i plus j plus 2k. Apply the modulus of a bar under root 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is 3. But by observing the formula, what they are given, mod a square now. So a value is 3 square. So answer is 9. This is also very easy question. Remember it, this formula, then we get answer very easily. Right? I'm going to next question. I think this is also somewhat easy only. Minimum value of 2 power sin x plus 2 power cos x is. So here we can use arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean condition. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Now apply the formula. What is the formula actually? A plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to root AB. Okay, now A means 2 power sin x plus B means 2 power cos x divided by 2 is greater than or equal to under root 2 power sin x into 2 power cos x. Root means we can write whole power 1 by 2. Now here bases are equal, power should be adding. Add that, we get sin x plus cos x. Okay, whole power 1 by 2 is there. Multiply that, we get like this. Okay, now what is sin x plus cos x? Sin x plus cos x value is lies between minus root 2 to plus root 2 plus root 2. This condition already we know that. Now dividing on both sides with 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. What happened? Divide on both sides with root 2, sorry. So here we get minus 1 less than or equal to, here sin x plus cos x means we get 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x less than or equal to 1. Then observe that what is the next step? Here small correction. I think that this is no need, because here observe that what is a sin x plus cos x divided by 2 is there. Okay, now divide on both sides with 2. So what we get? Minus 1 by root 2 less than or equal to sin x plus cos x divided by 2 less than or equal to root 2 by 2, that is also 1 by root 2. Next they are asking minimum value. Minimum value. Now what is the minimum value of this function? This is only now minimum value of sin x plus cos x by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Now minimum value of 2 power sin x plus 2 power cos x 2 power cos x. This is also here we can write 2 power cos x divided by 2 is greater than or equal to, what we got here only is there, 2 power sin x plus cos x by 2. What is the minimum value of this? minus 1 by root 2. Now to take cross multiplication, we get 2 sin x plus 2 power cos x is greater than or equal to 2 into 2 power minus 1 by root 2. That is 2 power 1 minus 1 by root 2. This is minimum value of 2 sin x plus 2 cos x. So this is also easy question, but sin x plus cos x value is lies between minus root 2 to root 2. If you know condition, then you will get answer. Okay. So now I am going to fifth question. See the fifth question, what they are given. If limit t tends to x, x square f square of t minus t square f square of x divided by t minus x is equal to 0 and f of 1 is equal to e, then solution of f of x is equal to 1 is f of x is equal to 1, that is the one function. What is the solution of that? That means we need to find x value there. Here limit t tends to x. Here t is the function. T is the function. X is constant. That means there we need to substitute. Now see here, limit t tends to x. In place of t, substitute x. What we get? X square f square of x minus x square f square of x divided by x minus x. So we are getting 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form we got means what we have to do? Apply LH rule, L hospital rule. L hospital rule means do that numerator and denominator one time derivative with respective to t only, because here t is the function. Now x square, what is f square of t derivative? 2f of t into internal derivative f dash of t minus t square derivative 2t f square of x divided by, observe the denominator here, t minus x, derivative of t is 1 minus derivative of x, here x is constant, no, it is 0. That is equal to already 0 given in the question. Now substitute the limit in place of t, x. What happens? See, x square into 2 f of x into f dash of x minus 2x f square of x. F square of x is equal to 0. Now observe that what is the common? Now here common is 2x f of x. This is the common. Now what is the remaining? X f dash of x minus f of x is equal to 0. Here f of x is equal to 1 already given. That means, so here f of x is not equal to 0. That means x f dash of x minus f of x, that is equal to 0. Here we know that y is equal to f of x only. Do the derivative, what happened? Dy by dx is equal to, we get f dash of x. Students, are you understood? Always we are taking f of x is y only now. So by using this condition, then we will solve. Here x into f dash of x means dy by dx, that is equal to, same right hand side, it is getting f of x y. Now separate the variables. dy by y, that is equal to dx by x. So it's going to differential equation form, integration on both sides. What we get? Log y, that is equal to log x plus log c. Okay. Now, by using formula in right hand side, log of log a plus log b, log ab we get. After that, remove the log, we get y is equal to x c. Now, what is y? Already we are taken, that is f of x. F of x is equal to xc. Already given in the question, f of 1 is equal to e. F of 1 is equal to e. So take the condition, f of 1 is equal to e. What is f of 1 here? F of 1 means 1 into c, that is equal to e. Finally here we got c value is e. C value is e. Therefore, f of x is equal to x e. But in the question already given, f of x value is 1 means what is the solution? In place of f of x, substitute 1. 1 is equal to xe. Then what is x? X is equal to 1 by e. This is the answer. So this is not easy problem, somewhat difficult, but lengthy problem. Yes or no? So here already given in the question, f of x is equal to 1. Just substitute, you will get the x value, that is 1 by e. Students, all of you understood now? Still now not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thank you.